Hey guys, so this is part 3 and the final part of my 3-part video of my LASIK eye surgery experience. Okay, so in this video I will just be going over where my eyes are now and my final thoughts on laser surgery, whether I'd get it and again or whether I wouldn't get it. My eyes now are pretty much okay. So I'll start by telling you what my final vision is. So my vision is 2121, I think it is called, like, so better than 2020 vision is the actual awesomeness of what I get to see. And then in terms of the halos and the rainbows, so the halos are fine now and the rainbows are still there. So it is, I've been seeing my surgeon and everything like that, but I'm not going to get anything done about the rainbow thing. I just don't feel comfortable with getting my eyes compromised like that. If something bad was to happen, I would really kick myself, like if I was to have other secondary side effects. It doesn't bother me so much on a day-to-day that I feel like I need to do anything, so I'm not going to do anything about it. And then but in terms of the purpose of why I got my eyes done was to be able to see. Y'all, I can see 2121. I can see better than 2020. I can be a pilot and an astronaut in the same breath. I really am overall happy with my experience with LASIK, and I would 100% recommend it if you are a right candidate for it when you talk to your doctors. It's life-changing in that you're able to just participate and do whatever you want without like, oh, I need to wear contacts. Or even like when you're going out, sometimes you want to look cute and glasses sometimes don't match the outfit, right? So it feels really great that I have the option to just live my life just like this. And I love, like, there's so many things that I had never gotten a chance to experience, like just looking at the detail in leaves and like trees and things like that. I think that first year that I got my eyes done, I would just be looking everywhere because it was like almost like I hadn't seen for a while. Yes, I wore glasses, but my glasses weren't even this clear. Like, so yeah, so I'm overall really happy about it, and I would 100% do it again, even with the quote-unquote light issues that I end up getting. I do find that I'm more sensitive to light now since getting the surgery, so I wear some of my sunglasses pretty much all the time when I'm outside, but I don't mind. Like, I think they look cool. I'm happy that I get to wear sunglasses now. Like, I just go to the store and buy a pair of sunglasses without having to get it prescription or whatever. So yeah, so overall I'm so happy because yeah, like my life has really changed as a result. Like, I work out better, like I play better, it's life-changing, especially if you're someone who grew up with sunglasses. I think I wore glasses since I was like 9 or something like that, so it's been a while. But that being said, I kind of miss them, so I have these for my computer. I'm so silly. But anyways, I do miss wearing glasses sometimes, but I'm happy that it's like I get to opt in and out as I want, rather than I have no choice but to wear sunglasses. And I was never a contact lenses person. Like, I tried contacts, but I used to find it really uncomfortable to just put something in my eye. I never got used to that feeling. But yeah, so I will end this video now. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to answer any questions that you may have, or if you have your own LASIK or I know there's another surgery that people do, but if you have any eye stories, I'd love to hear them too. Okay, I will end this video now. It's been a long video. I've obviously been recording it all in one shot, although I've broken it down in 3 parts. But if you watched it till the end, make sure you leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.